ọma ebunie yenu si ajide nke oji na-aga n'iru biko ka anyị gbakọ kịta wee kene Eze-Ana Eze-Ana ga-adị Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu nwoke ọma nọrọ ifite ị ga-adị Eze-Ana bụ eziokwu Eze-Ana bụ ụzọ ndụ ịma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chigharịa ụmụ Igbo chigharịa kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkụzi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma n'ọrụ ifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye mmanye je eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma n'ọrụ ifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye mmanye je eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru Eze-Ana ga-adị Ugochi tubelu ga-adị Ugochi tubelu tempụl ọ ya adị maka na eziokwu anwa chacha ndị ụka erigo anyị front and back ndị oche eri anyị front and back fadi asị kala aka ghọrị ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke fe ka mma bulu Baịbụl bịa akwụkwọ akụkọ mepekwa chọọchị fa okwu n'ụka bịakwa mmanụ.
Good morning, viewers all over the world. My name is Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu n'Oraifite. For those of you that are seeing me for the first time, abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple. Bụrụkwazi onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission. Bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me an ọdịnala evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị tata n'oge awa nke eziokwu isiokwu anyị ji bịa n'ụbọchị tata bụ avoid negative vibrations if you need spiritual strength. Avoid negative vibrations if you need spiritual strength. If you pay attention in today's lecture, believe in me, you will learn a lot that will change your life for good. I keep saying that what you don't know remains a mystery to you. And I keep saying that if you are knowledgeable, you become a master. If you lack the knowledge, you remain a slave. If you pay attention today, believe in me, you will learn something that will change your life. So that you will know that what you are looking for in Sokoto is in Sokoto. Before we dive into today's lecture, today, remember our topic, I have told you. But before that we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. We are still in the month of November. Our monthly ritual is still ongoing. You can still join us anywhere you are all over the globe. Makanike Chukuzuru Mbadu. I nwere ike esonyela anyị ebe ọ bụla ị nọ. N'isi ụtụtụ ejego dị na temple, chụọ aja, gọọ ọfọ, kwubi okwu. N'isi ndị niile esonyela anyị all over the world. Yanakwazi n'isi ndị friends of the temple, children of the temple. Yanakwazi n'isi ndị members of ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission. Yanakwazi isi our fans ndị sonyela anyị n'ọnwa. All of aja mbuli elu ịpụta ihe and liberation. Esigo na aja atọ ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ na-abụ mmadụ. As you all know, we don't share testimonies on social media. You know why? It's not necessary, it's not why we are here. But I can tell you, ike dị na aja a na-achụ n'igwe maka na igwe bụ ike. Yeah. And I will keep doing it the same way till the last day of the month. I will visit the waters with eatable things to offer sacrifices to ndị mmiri on behalf of all. Then, ọ bụrụ na emesịa ya, then we proceed back to the temple to offer sacrifices to entities of powers. Bụkwazi ebu wee mesara aka. I can tell you n'ike dị na aja a na-achụ n'igwe maka na igwe bụ ike. So, if you are interested in joining us, or you have any question in today's lecture, send a message in our WhatsApp 0805 7837672 or 0813 or 0805. I repeat, 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243871. I repeat, 0813 8243871. Let's now dive into today's lecture proper. Like I told you before, the topic of today is avoid negative vibrations if you want to develop spiritual strength. Yes. Let me explain to you in details. If you pay attention, you will understand very well what is negative vibrations and what you must avoid if you really want to be very far away from negative vibrations. Negative vibrations is those negative vibrations that comes to you whenever you dive into negative activities, because whatever that has action has equal reaction. Yes. So meaning that whatever anybody sow, so shall you reap. Go and read Galatians chapter 6 verse 7. And again, in computer we normally call it garbage in, garbage out. Whatever you give, you receive back. And even law of nature said he made it possible that once you plant corn, believe in me, if you like, go to mountain. If you like, begin to fast. As long as you plant corn, if you germinate, you must reap corn. Because a man chọrọ na jidos beggar, je na chọrọ to ga nọrọ ụgwọ ọrụ. Law, natural laws is very simple. Their work is to make sure that whatever any man sows, so shall you reap. It's like kicking ball on the wall. It will bounce back to you, the originator. So if you don't like negative things around you, avoid negative lifestyle. Because whatever, ihe ọmụ na-etopụrụ na ndụ a, believe in me, ị ga-atụtụrịrị ya. No matter how long we will take it. Ọmụ na-etopụrụ ihe ọmụ na-etopụrụ na ndụ a. In this present earth life, if you was, you must tutụrụ ya. You must collect. I can tell you, whatever you sow, no Jupiter on earth will make you not to reap it. Because it's already natural norms set by Chukwu Okike Pụrụ Ime Ihe Niile. And there's the entities of power that are already in charge to make sure that whatever you sow is what you reap. That is the laws of retributive justice. The laws of sowing and reaping. Some can choose to call it law of karma. But what I can tell you is this: those things exist. So, ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ mmetọ iyi akwa ọcha gbabara onye bụ mmanụ. So what am I saying in essence is this: there is some lifestyles that naturally, once you commit them, you must collect woto. That is the fact. So what you need to be doing is, one, live a good lifestyle, positive enough to attract positive vibrations. Avoid negativities. Avoid negativities. Avoid negative lifestyle. Avoid saying those things that are irresponsible. Yes, those lifestyle that will not help you, avoid them. Avoid wishing anybody bad, because whatever you wish must come back to you. Avoid distractions life. Avoid keeping malice, keeping negative thought, wishing evil to others. You must always live positive lifestyle. Never you offend anybody intentionally. I understand that we are not perfect, yes. But make sure that intentionally you will not nurture the evil intention to hurt somebody. Yes. Don't try it because it will not help you. I can tell you that only Bobo than I care about Chukwokika. And we're going natural laws that ensure of paying anybody in his own coin. Even without you saying it. Example, let me give you an example. If you offend me intentionally, deep down in your heart, you nurtured it. You have this intention to offend me. And you carry it out to the letter. Whether I revenge back or not, that thing you wish me, that negative thought you have for me must come back to you. Because whenever you nurse those negative intentions and wish me bad, those negative thoughts you have definitely will come back to you because you are already so bad in creation. Because for you to carry out an action, you must thought of it. You must nurture it within your mind before you execute it. So it becomes an action, intentional act. And for that reason, you have already sowed negativity in creation. Believe in me, you will reap it in multiple fold. The same way, you know that if you plant a seed of corn, once that corn is nurtured, it germinates, I nurtured it, I can tell you, time of production, that single corn will give you multiple corn. That is law of nature. Because that seedling, the corn seed you planted, yes, when it germinates, it will begin to attract similar nutrients that work in line with corn. So therefore, it will get multiple corn for you. The same way, whenever you sow badness in creation, that badness you sow will attract all the similar vibrations, similar badness. And they will all come to you, the originator. Do you see why you should avoid it? So always keep your thought pure. Never you think of hurting anybody intentionally. Never you think about to murder someone. Never you think about taking what is not yours forcefully. Example, when you know that this woman is legally married to somebody, intentionally you are lusting after that woman, your intention is to take that woman away from the owner, maybe to start sleeping with that woman. You did intentional act because you are known that this woman is legally married and still married. Are you following? So if you don't like negative vibration around you, be far from it. Negative vibration will destroy you. Ọ ga-agbago, ọ ga-ebutere gị ọra, ọ ga-ebutere every negativity, ọ ga-ebutere gị downwardness. Everything negativity will be your portion. If you keep on living in darkness, let me tell you, if the repercussion did not come in this present earth life, it will come in the next earth life. Yes, nature does not forget. Yes, whatever you do, has been recorded. You must pay either through restitution, reparation. Yes, appeasement. So Chukwu is not Father Christmas or God of justice. And justice is fairness. Then, like I said before, you cannot work for Julius Berger and you go to John Hood to receive your salary. Or differently, exactly even more. So what am I saying in essence? Avoid negativity. Avoid wishing people evil. Because once you wish people evil, evil will locate you. Let me give another illustration. Do you see if in front of your house, if you want to other people to start dumping refuse garbages in front of your house, just begin to dump refuse in your house. Believe in me, even passerby that is drinking sachet water, once you come to your waste bin in front of your house, you throw it. You know why? Because that your environment is so dead and they attracted another death to that place. Yes. So, but if your environment is extra clean, even if someone is drinking sachet water, once you come in front of your house, you will not even have fear. You will not even have gut. You will not have gut to drop that sachet water in front of your house. Yes. Because you have fear, because nothing unclean is there. Yes. So you will be going, looking to see either a bush or any unclean environment. That is natural. So if you really want to grow spiritually, mingle with positive vibration and people that carries positive vibrations. Stop mingling with people, because they say birds of the same feather flock together. That is why even as a man or a woman, you don't need to be mingling with people of negative vibrations, because birds of the same feather flock together. So if you're of positive vibration, you don't need to mingle and wine and dine with the negative people if you don't want to be contaminated. Let me give an example. Every human being have vibration. Let me use color of rainbow. Let's say everybody has, based on your lifestyle and what you carry within you, determine whether you will be red color, blue color, violet, yellow, and so on and so forth, and black. Those 7 colors of rainbow represent 7 radiation in man. Let's say I'm bearing red vibrations, and I come in contact with maybe a woman that is bearing red vibration. We are compatible. I come across a woman that is bearing blue. We are compatible, because red and blue can actually go. And maybe those primary color of it, maybe you bring red, bring blue, mix them together, they give you gray. Are you getting me? You still under the same flowing. But when you are dangling with someone that has negative vibration with yours, that is negative color, do you know that there is some color and color that cannot go? If you for any reason you mix those 2 colors, they will give you total negativity, color that does not exist. Are you following? So that is and once there is color, it means the 2 color, and they gave you color that does not exist. What it simply means is that there is chaos. There is disharmony between the 2 colors. So if it's human being, man and woman, there will be crisis. So whenever you go and begin to mingle with negative colors, yes, negative human beings, they will contaminate you and there will be crisis in your life. So if you don't want crisis in your life, what you have to do is avoid those people from mingling from this person to this person. That is why a highly spiritual person will not be mingling with anybody you see, any opposite sex you see. No. You must consult your resumes. You must check whether this person is it in the same spiritual vibration with mine. Now, if I'm living with this person or having anything kind of to do with this person, will there be peace? All those things, because some people are into mess now as we speak. They are into mess because they have a similar vibration, and they went in contact with someone with negative vibration, and everything crashed. The person will be telling you, since he married this woman, since he started dating this woman, everything has turned in shambles. Everything has turned into shambles. So sometimes dating the wrong person might lead to crisis. Dating the wrong person might lead to crisis. So So avoid mingling with your opposite sex anyhow. First of all, confirm if this person, the two of you share the same vibration. Will these two of you, are two of you compatible? So if you are somebody that reason this way, it will make you not to be jumping from Agatha to Agnes, from Agnes to Nkiruka, from Nkiruka to Ifeyinwa. Yes, it can add with you because you take so many things into consideration. So what am I saying? Pay attention to people you mingle with, because people you mingle with could be source of yaocho, source of negative vibration that will destroy what you have labored for long. And when such thing happen, you begin to blame anybody. You begin to blame Ndimri. You begin to blame your ancestors. You begin to blame your uncle. You begin to look for somebody, blaming somebody. Because we human beings, we have gone far in a way that we never accept blame. But I can tell you, whatever you don't deserve will never come to you. Either is what you cost in this present earth life or in your previous earth life, or it's for your purpose, for you to get pass through that experience in order to mature. So what am I saying in essence? What I'm saying in essence is pay attention. Pay attention to the vibrations you mingle with in order to develop spiritual strength. Because if your vibrations are corrupt, believe in me, you cannot move. Your spiritual life will never go up. You can't gather the spiritual momentum because your vibration is distorted. And vibration can only move by gathering momentum. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture or you want us to do deep consultation for you, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837672. I repeat 0805 7837672 or 0813-8243-871. I repeat 0813-8243-871. Now in the name of the Most High, I speak positivities upon the lives of those that join us. Those followers that normally share our ministration, share our program. May your heart desires be granted. May the work of your hands begin to yield fruit. See you tomorrow. No gawan keziokwu. Kamana chukwu nke pụrụ ime ihe niile bara anyị n'ụrụ ụba. Bido ugbu a ruo mgbe niile ebi ebi. Ya gazie. Ya mesịa. Viewers all over the world, as you all know my name. My name is Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Rifte. Achọrọ m ka ige ntị, listen to this message that comes from Reverend Father Professor Bonacrisis Umog. Yes, he reacted in some spiritual matters we used to tell you here, but it will be good for you to hear from his horse's mouth. I keep saying it. I have said it before and I'll keep saying it, that Igbo spirituality ayana refe alusi. Ndị Igbo na-agọ mmụọ. Igbo spirituality worship Olu Chukwu Okike ka anyị na-efe. Ihe anyị na-emere ụmụ mmụọ bụ ndị anjelu nke Chukwu bụ anyị na-agọ ha agọ. We venerate them, we recognize them, but not worship. Get it? Can you watch the next video? Can you know from the horse's mouth? Thank you.